OMNIACs, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. A quick video once again from the hospital with Miss Lisa and how things change so quickly in our markets. Like we've got a red Omni for Monday night, Tuesday, is as quickly as other things change because I might be taking Lisa home tonight. We'll see. It looks like the doctor said maybe she gets to come home. In any event, the Omni flipped from green to red. That's for trading on Tuesday, the 14th of what month are we in? Wow, it's been a long week already for me, and it's only Monday night, July, for July 14th, 2026. All right, so traders, here we go again. Look, right there in that circle. Bam. Let's see if I can blow that up for us a little bit. Here we go again. It fell out of the channel like it did here, but it saved itself and went back up on that day. On this day, it did not save itself. It closed under the channel. That's Monday for trading on Tuesday. I wanted to bring that to your attention. The Omni is red for trading on Tuesday, and we are below the channel. Here we go again, kids. Remember, win, lose, or draw, we take all the Omni recommendations, good, bad, or indifferent, because we look at where we are in December, at the end of the year, not where we are right now. It doesn't matter, day trading, not day trading. And for instance, today I left you OMNIX with a trade because I was in the hospital with Lisa and physical therapy and blah, 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 so I couldn't be there to update that trade. The trade had somewhere like 25 ES points in the large ES in its favor, but I wasn't around to cattle prod anybody out, and I don't think anyone jumped out on their own accord. So I will be there tonight, just in case we do end up with a nice profitable trade that we need to get out of before the markets flip. In any event, that was for Sunday night trading Monday. Now we're talking Monday night for trading Tuesday. Red Omni. Russell doesn't look good, ES doesn't look good, NASDAQ doesn't look good, and I just showed you why the Russ doesn't look good right there in that circle. So here we go again. Get ready. Remember, take all the Omni trades, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. And Lisa, hopefully I'm getting her home tonight. We'll see what happens, kids. And remember, stops are in, emotions are out, and I'll see you cats when I get back to the Omni compound.